to a tutorial and different various pressure feeds on your sewing machine. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this is the normally pressure feed, just like this one, and I will show it to you what you're gonna do. Normally, this is the normally presser foot which you get by normally by all machines, and I will do the straight one. This is what he does, the normal. Make a straight length. Both sides. It's straight. This is the normal feed. You can do also make fabric in double it. Just double this one size. You'll see double the fabric just like this, and I saw it. You will see the normal foot can do make straight lengths about sewing, just like this. This is an overlock pressure snap. Makes overlock adjustment just like this. There's a little bit blade here on it. You can see, makes overlocks. I will show you how you do it on the fabric. Okay, this is an overlock pressure, vertical pressure snap. Gives you an overlock look, and I put them in. I will show you. I'm gonna use it. This does see when you get sewing. So another one. This can use for the zippers. Have both sides. You see here in the middle. You can do it on the left side, on the right side. And we put them in. That goes for the left. Can zip it on and sew it on, or on the right side and zip it on. We'll show it to you how you do it. One is for the zipper. You have both sides. You have a left side and you have a right side on your zipper, and that means if you want to zip on one side, I will look to you. You have two sides. You have the left side, you have the right side. Okay, when you zip that one side, just what I'm gonna do is and zip it on the left side first. Okay. I'll show you what this does in the left side. I sewed up one side, that's the left side, I sewed up, and you want to do the right side. to do the same. Then you loose this up and you put them on the right side. Now you can do the other side of the zipper. Cut this first off. Now we will see, can do it with the zipper to the other side, just like this. And if I zip it now loose, you will see I put them on both sides, because I used only the zipper, the pressure foot from left to right, and did it on the both sides, just like this. This you can use it for buttonholes. You can do it just like this. All you have to do is how big you want the hole. The side are so big, and you can adjust it on the fabric and it will stay, and you make your holes, your buttonholes. So I have for the zipper holes, you have a sort of special feet. You can make how big you wanted the holes. I'm going to show you. I want to do the biggest hole. Now you see, make the biggest hole. I did another one here. When you cut them, you have a hole just like this. And I will cut this one that I did the last one. When you cut it, of course you want an buttonholes. When you cut it, now you will see it's a buttonhole for big buttons. This is an adjustable beast band pressure feet. You can do it. You put your piece band here inside, and it will push it and then zip it. You can adjust it here how big you want the piece band, and it goes from 5 to 10 to 15 to 20, and 25 is the last one. Adjustment, you can screw it up, and adjustments you can do with here how big you want the piece band. The piece band, and you can you have also an this is the piece band when I do it on just a straight one. Pressure feet, the normal pressure feet. I saw that on the wrong side. You can see the piece band, and I want it folded over just like this, and I want to sew it. You have also have special piece band pressure feet, and this is easy to work with. Okay, see, okay. You put them one side inside the feet, just like this. Okay, now you can sew it up. Look how easy it is when you've done it. Both sides, straight lines. How easy it is to strap piece band on the fabric. This is a multi-functional embroidery pressure feet, just like this. And I will show it to you how I do it. This is the last one. This is multi-embroidery pressure feet, and it's a great great piece. Okay, let's look. Because you cannot do everything with this one. You can embroidery different, it's free, so you can do what you like. Just like this. You can do everything with it. You can make flowers, you can make things. You must practice because it is going very fast, and you can pressure the feet, and you can move the fabric a little bit round or in circles or just like this, and you can do everything. Okay, we made it to the last round, And I see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe downstairs, and I see you next time. Okay, bye.